cliff and shore platform. Firstly, the destructive waves attack the base of the cliff between the high water mark and low water mark. This causes erosion due to hydraulic action, which is when the air trapped inside cracks get compressed, which weakens the cliff. And wave pounding, which is when tons of water is crashed onto the cliff. Over time, the wave actively undercuts the foot of the cliff, forming an indent called a wave cut notch. The rock above hangs over the notch, while the cliff face is also affected by abrasion, as rock fragments are hurled against the cliff by breaking waves. Once the waves have removed all the loose rock and stone from the base of the cliff, they begin to undercut new rock face, which is exposed to wave attack. The notch gets deeper over time. Due to wave attack, eventually the section of the cliff above the notch will become weaker over time due to weathering, which is the action of wind and rain on the rocks. When this section above the notch is unsupported, it falls into the sea. This causes the cliff to retreat further and further back. As a result, the cliff becomes steeper. The collapsed material will be crashed back and forth due to abrasion and hydraulic action. Sediments which were knocked off the cliff by hydraulic action and abrasion are moved by waves, and they are constantly collided with other sediments, which then gets worn down into smaller, rounder, and smoother sediments. This process is known as attrition. As the process of abrasion continues, it creates a gently sloping rocky platform at the cliff's base known as shore platform. Eventually, a shore platform will reach a size where it produces shallow water and small waves and slows down approaching waves as it is exposed at low tides. No further undercutting will occur as the waves will break on the shore platform rather than the cliff. Overview of cliff and shore platform. These are all the processes that are involved in making a cliff and a shore platform. Thank you for watching.